Right guys, so we've got a Fiat Abarth 500 here, and basically because these are a bit of a pocket rocket vehicle wise, security is quite a concern. So what we've done on this system, or on this vehicle, is add a little immobiliser to it. What this is going to do is protect the vehicle further than the factory security that's on there, and give them additional security from someone sort of stealing the vehicle. I'll just quickly talk you through it now. So the first line of defence basically is the visual indication through the stickers on the door there. So I'll get you inside the vehicle and show you what we've done and basically how easy it is to operate. So inside the vehicle, what we've actually got is a little receptacle there, and as you can see there's a little flashing LED on there. Now what will happen with this, if we try and start the vehicle without putting the key in the receptacle, so if we try there, the vehicle just won't start. However, now what we've got is we've got a digital key, and if we touch this digital key in here, the LED comes on solid. And now what we can actually do with this is put the key in the ignition. The ignition will come on, and then I can start the vehicle. So for further information on securing your vehicle with a security system, give the professionals at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.